Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Today I'm going to show you a Ford Cortina 1600E wood set. Now if you've got one of these cars, you'll see the same problems as what I'm going to show you, because it does happen in all classic cars. So what we've got first of all, we've got the door cappings. Now what our customer has done is got some donor parts so the veneer doesn't match. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a nice new veneer on here that we've discussed with the customer, and a bit of a stain to make it go this colour. Now all these parts, the door cappings for instance, are all made from solid mahogany. So this reddy colour, that's because it's solid wood. So we have to strip off all the old lacquer, which this is a polyester lacquer which is thick, so we have to strip all this down, take all the veneer off it, and we're going to replace it with this veneer. So this is called a straight grain walnut, and you can see the nice lovely pattern on there. It's not too much pattern, but it's just enough to do the job that it's meant to do. Because back in the day, these cars, they didn't use all these fancy veneers. They kept it nice and basic, did the job, and it was at a cheaper price. So that's the veneers that's on there. Like I said, it is different. And on top of these door cappings, of course, you have the sticks. Now these sticks run along the top of the door cappings like this, so it finishes it off like that. Sorry about that. So that'll sit on top of there, screw onto the brackets at the back, and that'll be your door cappings. These pieces are also solid mahogany. You can see there that it is solid wood. So all this will be stripped back down, but these don't get veneered. So when we put the new veneer on the door cappings, we have to colour match these pieces. So we look at the colour of that to the veneer, and we stain the veneer so it blends as close as we can to get it to that. Of course, you've got the dashboard, which looks like this, and like I said, pretty much it's not all flaking off and stuff like that, but it does show some signs of it being discoloured and things like that. But because the customer's got these donor parts, so to speak, the veneer doesn't match. So in that case, all of it has to be done. This little knob there that goes on the glove box door, that's solid mahogany, so that'll get stripped. It'll get stained so it blends in yet again with all the rest of the woodwork. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Thank you very much for watching. Please click like, share and tell your friends. Bye bye.